Do you know the worst thing about snoring when you sleep? No, it's not the irritating noise. In fact, the most dangerous bit is the silence. When everything goes quiet and you can even hear a pin drop. It has a fancy name. We call it apnea, sleep apnea, which means no breathing. And every time you stop breathing, your brain takes on the responsibility to wake you up quickly. But if your brain fails to wake you up, you are a goner. So my friends, why not take this message as a wake-up call and get yourselves checked by a doctor for snoring? Bye.